everyone and welcome to another video on Tutorials Point with Ms.Richa. Well, today under the Teaching Skills for Educators module, we will talk about a very interesting topic which is known as emotional intelligence. Well, let us see what is there in store for us today. On the agenda, we will discuss definition of emotional intelligence, principles of emotional intelligence which are self-assessment, self-regulation, empathy and compassion, relationship management, effective communication. Also, we will talk about how emotional intelligence for teachers is very important and imperative. So friends, what exactly is emotional intelligence? Well, it is important for us to understand that we have so many emotions going on in our mind. There may be at times overlapping of these different kinds of emotions. Some may be positive and some may be negative. As a teacher, it's important to understand that how we are self-aware of ourselves. Understanding our own strengths and weaknesses really play a very important role in our careers as a teacher. Because only when you know yourself and are aware of your own strengths and weaknesses will you be able to be a holistic teacher and a holistic human being to your students. Well, certain principles of emotional intelligence are self-assessment, self-regulation, empathy and compassion, relationship management and effective communication. Friends, we will talk about all of this in detail now. So what exactly is self-assessment? Well, it is to understand your own self. Only when you understand yourself better will you be a good person to be in a relationship with other people. So this can be defined as the ability to recognize one's own emotions, one's own strengths and weaknesses, values and drivers, and understanding their impact on the others. Those who have a strong understanding of who they are and what they want to work on can improve themselves on a regular basis. And isn't that what we all want? We all want to improve ourselves and to better ourselves. As a teacher and an educator, it is important that you are aware of your own self, know what you need to improve on, and then get to work at improving those aspects of your personality. Talking about self-regulation and what it is, this involves controlling and directing or redirecting our disruptive emotions and adapting to change circumstances in order to keep moving in a positive direction. When you stay calm and positive, you can think and communicate more clearly and better way. Well, if you know what you need to regulate yourself on and improve yourself on, whether it is with regards to anger issues or in fact because of negative emotions, etc., when you are able to work on these things, you are on the path of self-regulation, which is a very important part for a teacher. Well, empathy and compassion means really feeling from others' point of view. As a teacher, if you really feel for your students and really understand what they are going through, it becomes a much easier task as a teacher. Because you're able to understand each other better, you are more effective as a teacher. So have compassion, be a good human being, and be a positive person to be around. And empathy and compassion play a very important role in a teacher's life. Well, relationship management. All of us have different issues in our personal life, be it personal or even professional. We might at times not understand our own emotions very well, and also you can't make deep connections with others if you are constantly distracted. For example, if you've had a fight at home before coming to the school with your students, what happens is that it constantly plays in your mind and you're distracted while in the present situation of being with your students. Many of us have families and other obligations and a crazy to-do list. But building and maintaining healthy and productive relationships is essential to one's own ability and to gain a higher emotional intelligence. So I would suggest as a teacher and educator, when you are at school or teaching your students, it is important to leave the past behind. Just be present and currently aware of what your students want and expect from you. And that is when you are able to manage your relationships in a better manner. Well, I cannot really make you understand how important is having effective communication as a teacher. If as a teacher you do not communicate with your students in the best of your manner, somewhere you're not doing justice to your role of a teacher. Hence, effective communication can eliminate obstacles and encourage stronger working or rather workplace communications and relationships at work. Good communication results in alignment and shared sense of purpose. It is important that you work together with your students to achieve the results and the goals that you have accomplished as a teacher and as a student. You must have the ability to communicate effectively and properly manage relationships in order to move a team of people in a desired direction. Well, friends, it becomes very important and imperative to understand emotional intelligence for teachers is very, very essential. The reason being that the higher levels of emotional intelligence can help in better interpersonal relationships between the teachers and the students, between each other, having better relationship with your students. To be able to pick up the students' emotions, you need to wholly be present and be in the moment. Do not get distracted by your nitty-gritty problems at home. And students are very important. They understand all these things very well. So just be present in the moment with your students. Emotional intelligence in a teacher also gives them the tools to create an environment which stimulates the learning, creating curiosity as well as it generates a flow. A flow means people are so involved in an activity, they lose all direction and sense of time, space, etc. They are so much involved in that activity. Well, if you have emotional intelligence, only then will you be able to generate a flow with your students. Well, it's also important because high levels of emotional intelligence can create an atmosphere of a lot of cooperation, trust, honesty, integrity, respect, and that is what is important as a teacher, to have that kind of a relationship with your students wherein they trust each other and there is a lot of fun learning whatever they are learning. Emotional intelligent teacher is also somebody who is very adaptable and flexible to situations. They are not stuck in their mind that this is the way I'm going to function and that is the only way I'm going to do it. So a teacher who's having EI, which is emotional intelligence, is also somebody who is likely to be very, very flexible and adaptable. They have the ability to understand and deal with emotions through stressors, and also there's somebody who are able to control their own stress rather than get affected and behave in a negative manner. They create in a constructive way as well as maintain a positive mood, all leading to effective stress reduction, and that is important as a teacher. If you look stressed out, your students will be stressed out. Hence, an emotional intelligent teacher is somebody who is able to be stress-free. Well, friends, that brings us to the conclusion on this particular module on emotional intelligence. I'm going to leave you with this particular slide saying that to be an all-rounded citizen in the world, emotional as well as social skills are required, as well as being able to set achievable goals, communicate, collaborate, and have the ability of problem solving. Today, it's not only about technical skills, it is also about being emotionally present for your people and having a better relationship. These skills come very naturally to some people. However, some people have to be taught on how to have emotional intelligence. I do hope you have enjoyed listening to us as much as we have enjoyed teaching you this particular module on emotional intelligence. Keep watching, more videos coming your way. Thank you very much.
Tutorialspoint.com. Simply easy learning.